Okay, so I'm doing some chores and gonna use the dishwasher to save myself some time. And this little door to keep the little soap in there. You just close it like that and it locks right here. And it's time released. At a certain time this opens up and the door pops open and lets the soap go. But I just put the soap in, closed the door, and I heard this weird rattling noise. And that was it. So now I gotta figure out why this little latch won't stay in there, and whatever it was that was holding it on the other side is missing. So I'm gonna have to undo this whole front panel to find out why this stupid lock won't work. That's how my day's going. Oh wait, I can't take it off because I need an Allen key. Is that an Allen key? That looks like an Allen key. I don't know what that is, but dang it, now I gotta go look for the stupid. Or is that a Torx key? Yeah, that might be a Torx. Yeah, see? That's a Torx. Okay. I don't think I have that key. Okay, so I went digging through the old trusty tool bag, and it turns out I do have the key. So we're about to take this apart and see what's going on. I don't think I should be doing this because I really don't know what I'm doing, but we're about to find out. Okay, so I successfully removed the front panel off, and there's the dishwasher, and I found the problem. So as soon as I took the front panel off, this little piece fell on the floor. So it's probably connects here somehow and holds it in place. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So I'm going to try and figure out how this is supposed to sit in there. And once I got that figured out, I think I'll be right as rain. Okay guys, I think I figured it out. Yeah. Yeah, it springs now, so I got lucky, I guess. But yeah, I was not about to wait for maintenance to come fix this, because last time it took them 6 months just to come fix my door, so